Hello friends, welcome to today's video. In this video we will learn 25 important bedroom items in simple English with short facts. Let's get started. Bed. A bed is for sleeping. Pillow. A pillow gives support to the head. Blanket. A blanket keeps us warm while sleeping. Bedsheet. A bedsheet covers the mattress. Mattress. A mattress makes the bed soft and comfortable. Wardrobe. A wardrobe stores clothes and accessories. Cupboard. A cupboard is used to store clothes and other essentials. Dressing table. A table with a mirror for grooming. Clothes basket. A basket holds dirty clothes. Iron box. An iron box removes wrinkles from clothes. Laundry bag. A bag for collecting laundry. Ceiling fan. A fan gives air and keeps the room cool. Air conditioner. An AC cools the room in summer. Window blinds. Blinds cover windows like curtains. Mosquito net. A net protects from mosquitoes. Jewelry box. A small box to store jewelry. Makeup kit. A kit with beauty products. Perfume bottle. A bottle that holds a perfume. Soft toy. A soft toy is a plush toy for hugging. Electric kettle. A kettle for making tea or coffee in the bedroom. Water bottle. A bottle for drinking water at night. Slippers. Slippers are used inside the bedroom. Hair dryer. A dryer helps in drying hair quickly. Hand mirror. A small mirror to check your face. Laptop table. A small table for using a laptop in bed. That's all for today's. Hope you enjoy learning about these useful bedroom items. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple English learning videos. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.